of a problem here. People like this, that yes, it's raining out, yes, you should slow down, but 4 ways on in the center lane. That person really needs to be in the lane that I'm in right now, so he's not blocking everybody. Just saying. And that person still just rather sit in the center lane. I don't know what they are thinking when they do this. Maybe they think that the center lane has less water and it's just going to flow on either side and they're just going to stay in the center lane. That could possibly be what it is, but they're just causing so much backup. It's not raining that bad. At least it's not as bad as it was back there behind me. It's been raining all day. Wondering if it's going to rain all day now or not. I'm not sure. I'm getting a free truck wash out of the deal. Hope everybody's doing so well. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. There's so much more to see in this channel. See, so now this car, he's driving slow, but at least he's in the proper lane for that, right? Now, so I'll just move over and I'll pass them. Now sometimes they get a little nervous when a big truck passes them, so then they'll speed up, and then they just don't want to be passed. I had to slow down just to get behind him and get this lane, so he has to slow him down or speed it up. I'm just trying to get past him now. Let's just see. Nope, he just wants to do his speed there, and that's fine. Absolutely fine. You know, I'll take this weather here any day than that white stuff that's coming down, and it's down in other places. I just haven't seen it yet, which is fine with me. I'm not looking forward to seeing that stuff. I never do look forward to it. Of course, when wintertime comes along, then I can't wait for winter to be over. And then when summertime comes along, then I don't want it to go. And then sometime, most of the time, well, the last 20 years, it just seems like summer flies by really quickly, but the last 2 years for me, the summer has come down really nicely. Probably because I got a camper trailer now and I get to do more things now, which is really nice to have. And if no one has a camper trailer and they like doing outdoor stuff, tell ya, go get yourself one. We get to travel a lot. This past summer we never traveled too much. Summer before that we did. Went to Myrtle Beach and all that stuff. So next summer we're planning on doing something. We just don't know what we're planning on doing. It's not quite clear. We're going to take at least 3 weeks off. That's for sure. And 1 week is going to be somewhere. Another week is probably going to be in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And then the last week will be sitting in our campground that we have a lot. And that will be the ideal. I wouldn't mind doing other people would call that glamping. It's still camping to me. It's like a cottage on wheels. Or in my case, a shed on wheels. I don't have a big trailer. We have a 21-foot trailer, 18 side, 21 total length from bumper to hitch. But it's a nice, cozy little trailer, and it works. Not much money in gas to pull it, and yeah, so it definitely works. So, but it opened up a whole lot more for me to have that trailer. Before it was like, okay, you gotta go somewhere, you can fly, you get a hotel, whatever, or you drive somewhere, you get a hotel, or whatever. But now it's like, drive, get tired, pull over, go in the trailer, sleep, relax, go places, don't have to worry about hotels. It costs a little bit more money in towing, but when it comes down to it, it's still a very cool thing. And I pull trailers for a living. Just from my 21-foot trailer to my 53-foot trailer. I get out of this big truck here, I get out of my 860 Volvo, I get into my little go-kart, which most people would say that it wouldn't be a go-kart. I got a F-150, 2016 F-150, pink cab, 6-foot long box, 4x4 sports 4x4 pickup truck. And most people would say that's kind of huge. You get into one of these things, you get out of one of these things. So that's like driving a go-kart. It's like dragging your butt on the ground. Especially if you're in a car. It always just feels like I'm dragging my behind on the road, right? Like what a dog does when he likes his butt.